Hello everyone, today I will explain process function and structure. The processor, also known as the central processing unit or CPU, is often called the brain of a computer because it performs calculation, executes interaction, and controls the activities of others hardware components. Every operation carried out by a computer, from opening applications to processing data, depends on the processor. The primary function of a processor is to execute program instruction. The accomplishment this the processor performs a cycle known as the fetch, decode, execute cycle. During the fetch stage, the processor retrieves an instruction from memory. During the decode stage, it interprets the instruction to determine the required action. Finally, during the execute stage, it performs the operation and stores the result if necessary. This cycle occurs continuously and at extremely high speeds, allowing computer to perform millions or, even billions of operations per second. Another important function of the processor is data processing. The processor performs arithmetic operations such as addition, sub- subtraction, multiplication, and division, as well as logical operations such as comparison and decision making. These operations are essential for running software applications, processing information, and supporting complex computation tasks. The processor is also responsible for controlling and coordinating system operation. It manages communication between memory storage device, input device, and output device by controlling the flow of data and instruction. The processor ensures that all computer components work together efficiently. To understand how the processor performs this function, we need to examine its structure. The processor consists of several major components, including the control unit, the arithmetical logic unit, register, and internal buses. The control unit, or CU, directs the operation of the processor. It reads instructions from memory, decodes them, and generate the control signal necessary to execute them. In other words, the control unit acts as a manager that coordinates the activity of all processor components. The arithmetical logic unit, or ALU, is responsibility for performing arithmetic and logic operation. When a program requests calculation or comparisons, the ALU carries out these tasks. For example, when calculation a mathematical equation, a program the ALU perform the necessary operation. Another essential part of the processor is the set of registers. Registers are small, high-speed storage locations located inside the CPU. They temporarily hold instruction, memory address, and data currently being processed because registers are located within the processor itself. They provide much faster at the main memory. Several important registers are commonly found in processor. The program counter stores the address of the next instruction to be executed. The instruction register holds the current instruction being processed. The memory address register storage memory address, while the memory buffer register temporarily storage data being transferred between memory and processor. The processor also contains internal bus, which are communication pathway that transport data, instruction, and control signal between different components of the CPU. These buses enable efficient communication among the control unit, ALU, and register. Modern processors often include addition features such as chunks memory, multiple cores, and pipelining technology. Charge data instruction to reduce access time. Multiple core allow the processor to execute multiple tasks simultaneously, improving performance and efficiency. In summary, the processor is the central component of the computer system. Its main functions include executing transfer, processing data, and controlling system operation. The processor achieves this function through its key structural component including the control unit, arithmetical logic unit, register, and internal buses. Understanding the function and structure of the processor is essential because it helps us understand how computers perform tasks quickly, accurately, and efficiently. Thank you for attention. I hope this explain has helped you better understand the function and structure of the processor. Have a have a nice Thank you.